Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the Rekt Capital YouTube channel. It's been a while. Great to be back and talking to you guys today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin's price action and what is it about Bitcoin's price action that is currently enabling a bit of an Ethereum rally and a Litecoin rally. So we're going to be talking about Ethereum and Litecoin in particular. So let's dive right into it. Bitcoin right over here has eclipsed its June 2019 high, and that's a very important thing because this was a resistance that promoted essentially 72% worth of a retracement to the 3000s. And once we returned since then to this resistance, we only rejected 7%. And that just showcases how sellers were exhausted. All the sell orders were filled at that price point, and the buy pressure has totally changed. It's different than ever before. Whereas the sell side pressure here is it just wasn't there. So now we're seeing a historic breakthrough in Bitcoin's price action for the very first time in many years. We haven't seen an impressive rally like this in since 2017 really. And Bitcoin is running out of resistances, isn't it? It's running out of resistances on its way to 20,000, and I'm going to talk about whether 20,000 is feasible or not in the next video. But we have to just celebrate the fact that we are over a very key resistance of 13,900, which is very crucial to the directional bias that Bitcoin will have going into 2021. So now we are slightly rejecting at 16,000 roughly speaking, and this has enabled a bit of a retracement for Bitcoin, allowing a bit of capital to flow into Ethereum and other altcoins. And we're just seeing how a bit of cooling down from Bitcoin really presses the prices up in Ethereum, Litecoin, and other altcoins. Now, before we dive into the Ethereum price chart over here, I just want to talk to you guys about the podcast I appeared on yesterday. So, fantastic conversation I had with Andy from Crypto Conversation, where we spoke about Bitcoin's post-halving price tendencies, the 4-year cycle, the crypto money flow cycle, altcoin hype cycles, the entire shebang. Check out the link in the description down below to head and listen to that podcast. You won't be disappointed. Lots of knowledge there, lots of value there for sure. Let's dive into Ethereum's price action, where it's currently maintaining its money flow channel, isn't it? And I spoke about this on Twitter, where we were seeing a selling exhaustion at this support. So we were seeing slowing down in the sell side momentum against the bottom of its money flow channel of 391 before curling up and flicking up towards the very top of this money flow channel. And the thing about this is we tend to see upside wicking past this range high, this money flow channel top. So it's really important that we have that confirmation of Ethereum breaking out from this point. It needs to close on the weekly above 433 and or test this level as a support so as to confirm this breakout into a new uptrend. So we'd probably see Ethereum rally towards the upside before forming a consolidation range, which would really benefit altcoins. That's essentially what would really benefit altcoin valuations to increase. So we really need to see a confirmation in Ethereum's breakout from the money flow channel. But when it comes to Litecoin is very interesting as well. It's very well positioned relative to its downtrend, its multi-year downtrend, and we're currently trying to close above it. It's not necessarily the most important thing to try and time this downtrend. Where exactly is it? The most important thing here is that we are repeating historically recurring price tendencies in Litecoin's price action by first pulling back into this region, faking out with a breakout or at least a breakdown, and then scooping back up over here and then testing this level as a support, as we are seeing right over here. So this was great. A fake breakdown into the green area right over here, rally right into the higher 50s or so, pulling back just to test $55 as a support, and now we're seeing a nice rally here inside what is essentially the 55 to 66 range. Breaking past 66 would be phenomenal for Litecoin's price action and its new trend. It will have really confirmed a break from its multi-year downtrend dating back to mid-December of 2017. So that's something that's really important, just to clear $66, because that would really enable a true exponential uptrend for Litecoin. So you can probably understand that because of Bitcoin's cooling down right now, we're seeing a bit of that capital flow into large cap altcoins, specifically Ethereum predominantly, Ethereum being the most important large cap in the space, but also we can see some capital flowing into other large cap altcoins like Litecoin. This one has rallied a decent amount today, indeed. And having said that, that's about it for today's episode. I published 12 altcoin TA requests in the Rekt Capital newsletter today for valued subscribers of the newsletter. $5 a month is the early bird discount. It's a fantastic resource because 3 times a week I produce some research, technical analysis, and an altcoin TA session for you guys. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description down below. And having said that, guys, that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider dropping a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Rekt Capital and I'll speak to you in the next one. Wishing you a fantastic weekend.